guess we'll never know. Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. Today we are going to a toy drive, so I just went to the store and I picked up some gifts for the toy drive. So let's go to the toy drive. So we just got home from the toy drive. On the way home from the toy drive, we stopped at the store because Matt cannot find his black nice slacks. He just can't find them. I can't find them either, so he needs nice pants to wear tonight. Mostly he wears jeans when he goes to work. So we stopped to get him a pair of pants, and now I'm at home and I just put the last finishing touches on Vlogmas Day 8 and we're gonna post it. Okay, so we're going to make it public. And we're going to add a little message. How about you'll have to watch to find out. I like that. Oop. Not to watch, to watch. Thanks, spell check. All right, let's publish. It's live. Okay, now it's time to freshen up and go to Matt's work party tonight. I gotta get a little bit fancy. Excited. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Who's excited? Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, I gotta smell where you're at. I gotta smell where you're at. What are you guys doing? What are you? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And that is a wrap. We are home from Matt's work Christmas party. Sadie, what is in your mouth? What is that? Sadie, I don't even know what that is. See you tomorrow.